I'm Hugh with Wall Street X, and today we have the top 7 stocks of billionaire investor George Soros, whose portfolio is now valued at a crazy $28 billion. And starting us off at number 7 is Salesforce, CRM. Our one-year projection for this is 261.31, which is a 4.2% upside over today. Analysts are saying 33.208, which is a 32.4% upside over today. The risk for Salesforce is low. The reward is medium. We put Salesforce as a buy. They have an average valuation, which is a good thing, and they also have good earnings growth forecasts. And most analysts are a moderate buy for Salesforce as well. And number 6, we have Brown & Brown, BRO stock. Our one-year projection is 109.22, which is a 15.2% upside. Analysts are saying 112.87, which is a 19.1% increase. The risk for Bro stock we put as a medium. The reward is certainly high, and that's going to make this a strong buy because they have that fair valuation. They have really high earnings growth forecasts, which is what we want, and most analysts are a moderate buy for Bro stock as well. And at number 5, we have Interactive Brokers, IBKR. Our one-year projection is 61.54, which is a 2.3% upside, but analysts are saying it's going to be 60.04, which is actually a 0.2% decline over today. The risk is going to be medium, the reward we put as low, and that's going to make this one a hold. They have a higher valuation, and the combination of that with their average earnings growth forecasts just doesn't make for a strong bull case, and we actually differ on this one because most analysts are indeed a strong buy. Number 4 is Flutter Entertainment, FLUT. The one-year projection is 332.7, which is a 12.7% upside. Analysts are saying 335.23, which is a 13.5% upside. The risk is low. The reward is quite high. We put this as a buy. They have a fair valuation and pretty fair earnings growth forecasts as well, and most analysts are going to be a strong buy for this as well. And number 3 on the list is Liberty Broadband, LBRDK stock. Our one-year projection is 63.61, which is a 6.1% upside. Analysts are saying $66 even, which is a 9.8% upside. The risk we put is medium. The reward is also medium. That's going to make this a hold. It has a fair valuation, but where this starts to go sideways is the earnings growth forecasts are pretty varied. Some of them are negative, some of them are positive. Most analysts align with us and are at a hold. And number 2 on the list is GFL. Our one-year projection for GFL is 89.39, or an 86.6% upside. Analysts are saying 57.42, or a 19.9% upside for this time next year. The risk we put is low. Some could argue medium. The reward, however, is high, and that's going to make this one a strong buy. They have a fair price to sales valuation. They have average earnings growth potential, and most analysts are a strong buy on this one as well. And that aligns perfectly with ours. And George Soros's number 1 holding is Smurfit Westrock, or SW. Our one-year projection is 52.19, which is an 11.3% upside. Other analysts are saying 55.79, which is an 18.9% upside. The risk for this is low. The reward is medium. We put SW stock as a buy, and like so many others on this list, they have a fair valuation, but what really sets them apart is they have a strong EPS growth forecast, something not a lot of stocks get to pair. And that is probably the reason why most analysts are also a strong buy on this stock. And those are currently the top 7 holdings of George Soros' portfolio. If you want to see the top 3 Warren Buffett stocks to buy and hold for the long term, go ahead and check out this video right here. Otherwise, have a great night. Thanks for watching.